Hi, today is 3rd of July. Today is EMCO first day in Malaysia, also in Selangor State and Kuala Lumpur. So from today onward, we are only allowed one person to drive or to go to buy grocery. So I'm coming out to buy some grocery. Before the EMCO is already 1 month under full MCO, but the cases of the COVID is from 8,000-9,000 come down to 4,000 plus, and now going back to almost 7,000. So I'm not so sure this MCO lockdown is effective or not. So the past 2-3 days ago, the government announced to EMCO lockdown Selangor and Kuala Lumpur. So most of the road will be closed down. And for me as a YouTuber, I am unable to travel far. I'm not allowed to travel more than 10 kilometers. So I unable to go to the hiking place or go for any camping. So it's quite hard for me now to try to do a nice video content to introduce to you all the places which we can enjoy or go for camping. So I hope after the lockdown I will continue to do more video. So I'm going to show you how's the today my area here, the Subang Jaya here. How's the traffic, how many cars on the road, and how many people go to the shop lot to buy grocery or pharmacy, and bank also allowed to open. Today is Saturday, so bank is not opening. So you can see there are still many cars, people coming out, but most of the shops are not open. You can see car workshop all are closed. Electrical shop, you can see all the shop is closed. Okay, this corner yellow color shop 2-3 days ago, one of the hawker infected by the COVID, and the shop is closed down for 10 days or 2 weeks. I just come up from Jaya's grocery, and surprising today I no need to queue. What I mean is usually nowadays the SOP is we have to queue with a social distance, but today I no need, I straight can go in. Sorry I couldn't talk inside the grocery store, so this is what I can tell you for today. Now it's already 2:35 afternoon. Sky is getting dark now, and soon later it will be raining. Today, as you can see, actually this road normally is quite busy and it's very hard to get a parking here, but today is very easy. It's still a lot of parking space, and also due to all the rotary shop are not allowed to open. That's also one reason the car is lesser here. It's been almost a month. I never post any video regarding to the COVID or surrounding here, because it's now happened everywhere, so I didn't do any content on that. But in this month, there are a lot of things are happening here. Many people are dying due to the COVID, and the COVID is spiked up. Also, a lot of people are losing job. Okay, it affects myself also, because my wife now unable to work, and it's quite tough. Every day when I go out to work, because I was in the essential line, you can see the whole market is very bad. Many shops are not open. People are struggling, and some even don't have food to eat. And recently, a normal citizen suggest to take out a white flag, put outside the house, so that people will come to help them by give them some food. It's that help a bit when the authority are banning people to doing like that. Probably it will get fined for, I heard it's about 5,000. So I do not know which is the right way. People are suffering, and our government say they can help and they can provide. Truly say, I don't see much, okay, other than we get the government provide some money for us to spend. But to be honest, that amount of money is not enough to sustain for 1 month, probably just 2 weeks or 1 week only, or even less. Well, even myself also get very frustrated sometimes. Sometimes also not sure whether my job is stable or not, and also what will happen if really don't have income, how long my family can sustain. And it's also nowadays it's also not easy to get a job, especially people who are getting old like myself. I'm also, you look in my face, you know how old am I already probably. So it's not easy to get a proper job nowadays. For your info about Encik Rahman, recently due to the lockdown, I cannot make video for him, but I do get some order. People would like to purchase some handcraft item, so I help Rahman to get the order, so he still can sustain, and his housing place have some plants to eat, because he can planting, and even he can get some food from the jungle. So it's not a big issue to him. His life is very simple, so no need to worry about him, but just have to watch his video, so by that way we can get some revenue from the YouTube, and that money is also will help Encik Rahman. So stay tuned on my channel. In these coming 2 weeks I will still post some video, but after that I'm not so sure. That depends on the lockdown whether it will extend or not, because according they say is they will going to open stage by stage. So if the COVID case is below 4,000, probably they will change from the EMCO to the full MCO, or EMCO. I don't know what name to name. I also sometimes quite confused tracing. And the SOP is being keep on changing. Sometimes it can be U-turn. Today say can, tomorrow say cannot. Next day say cannot, can again. I also don't know. So sometimes people are scared to come out because they're scared to get fined. You just take out your mask. Maybe it's a few seconds. You saw by the police and take photo, then you say you didn't wear mask, so they give you a fine. And there are many cases. There's a drone view taken by yesterday afternoon. You can see how many cars there. And there's also a drone taken by today afternoon also, around 11 or 12 o'clock. You can see how many cars, still on the road. So I hope you all stay healthy and safe and wear masks when you're coming out. Nowadays the Delta variant is quite easy to transmit, so everyone have to be careful. Alright, see you next time. Take care and goodbye. Bye bye.